Alright guys, well today we're actually going to do something that I've been avoiding for about almost a year now, and that is take my truck to the inspection station and see if we can get it inspected. I am almost a year past inspection because I'm catless, so I've been afraid to go. I do live in New Jersey, but I did have a couple guys actually tell me that you can actually get it inspected. They don't check for it as long as there's no check engine lights. So we're going to go and try. I may get a red sticker on my way home, but I may not. This truck I bought brand new in 2014, and it's cammed, and it's got a lot of modifications. So I'm hoping we can pass. If not, I have another plan how to pass this, which I know will work. I just haven't done it because, you know, I don't feel like doing it. But yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to go to I'm also in New Jersey here, New Jersey Motor Vehicle Inspection Station, and try to get this thing past inspection. Also, guys, I got new merchandise available. I got them in hoodies and t-shirts. This is not it. My t-shirt will be here. It's on its way. It's called the Launch Pick Ram. Just it's a cool little design I came out with my actual truck, and it's a professional picture, but I turned it into almost like a cartoon and made it a shirt design that I thought looked pretty good. So you know, pick up that design, pick up that merchandise, help support the channel, and let's get started. All right, well, we're leaving and we're going to go to Motor Vehicle Services. Actually, no, sorry, we're going to the inspection station. I keep saying Motor Vehicle Services. It's based out of New Jersey Motor Vehicle Services. And I don't know if I'm going to pass. I may, like I said, I think I'm probably going to fail, but I am going to try because a couple guys have told me they have passed. And I need to get this inspected. I've been driving around with it, like I said, since March of 19 is when it was, this car load just cut me out. March of 19 is when the inspection was past due. So hopefully we can get it inspected. I have a little trick up my sleeve to get it inspected a different way, which is it'll still be fine. It's nothing, you know, crazy, but this is one I'm hoping this will work. So I'm gonna when I get to the inspection station, I will you know, show you guys and see what happens. Man, I'm a little nervous too, because having no cats under this, you know, is always a little nerve-wracking when you got to go through all this crap. Some places don't check for that, like Texas or nothing. I don't think they check for that. No check engine lights on, everything's on. So let's hopefully, oh man, that truck literally went in my lane to take a turn. Terrible. So we're gonna go to the inspection station, and I'll get back up with you then. Looks kind of empty. Hopefully we can be in and out of here and see what happens. Even if they're open, they look like they're open. And hopefully, like I said, we can pass inspection. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really nervous right now. Really nervous. So let's see. There's a couple cars here. And there's a couple cars in front of me too. I forget exactly what you need. I just went through this. I think it's like your driver's license, a couple other things. And see what they say when they come up to me here. was probably going to happen, but I listen to other people, and I don't know why I do. But yes, we failed. They said they could not find cats. The guys, I don't want to video all guys under my truck, and then I'm asking me questions. So I'm sitting there playing dumb, saying, you know, I bought it this way and stuff like that, when obviously everyone knows I did not. I bought this truck brand spanking new and did all the modifications. But I got to play stupid, so hopefully they say it. There is a big red rejected sticker on my thing. I'm going to actually go home and rip that the fuck off, so, you know, we don't get pulled over or anything like that. And I have another plan how to get this thing inspected and stuff that may last 2 years or so. I got a couple ideas, but yeah, sucks. But I knew this was going to happen. Someone told me, oh, if you color it up, it makes it look like a cat. I have, you know, a band under there. It don't look like a cat, but a couple things could possibly pass to make it look like a cat. I could fake it out, but I'm going to do something else a lot easier. I'm probably going to, like, you know, swap the friggin' stickers on the Lexus and then get the Lexus re-inspected, because that I know will pass. So, yeah. But, yeah, this I knew was going to happen. Sucks, but it is what it is. Nothing I can do about it. But I'm glad they kept my old sticker, what I've been driving around with, you know, because I bought the truck. And now there's a giant red rejected sticker above that, which I'm going to go home and take that off. Most people will probably think, oh, why'd you do that? But, you know, it is what it is. I'll go home. When I get home, I'll pull up in the driveway. I'll show you guys what the big red rejected sticker looks like. So if you live in New Jersey, you can pass for having, you know, they don't check your emissions. They actually just check to see if you got catalytic converters. Because emissions, it won't pass because it is catless. So they don't check emissions. They just check to see if you have cats. So if you can do a fake out or whatever, and, you know, and you have in your catless, then you'll get away with it. But they like 4 guys were under the hood. I didn't want to have video all up in their face and stuff like that in the inspection station. Some of the guys were looking at me a little weird doing the little video in that I did. So, you know what I mean? I'm going to just, you know, take that sticker off and basically, you know, give me a whole paperwork and stuff like that saying, hey, you need some catalytic converters, this and that. This is why you failed. This is why you passed. Yeah, I'm not dealing with all that stuff like that. You know what I mean? This truck's, you know, it is what it is right now. So, guys, yeah, I'm going to show you what it looks like in New Jersey if you get rejected, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, as you can see, New Jersey, you know, this was, like I said, past March, and they didn't actually take this off, so that's good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm ripping this sticker off just because, you know, if a cop sees a big red rejector, they're gonna pull you over and they're gonna give you a ticket for it. You know what I mean? Being the white, they can see that and they know it's not failed. But I'm gonna take this off and get this just to have it, and it's basically like I never went for now. And I have an idea how I'm gonna actually make it pass. So this sucks, man. They actually had, like, they popped the hood, they looked under the whole hood and everything to see if they could find anything, you know, that resembles if I have cats. They had 5 guys going in and out of this truck. Probably, I'll say about 4 guys. They called over one of the supers, younger dude. He's like, you got headers on this thing? I was like, I don't know, man. I was like, it's the way I played, like I said, I played dumb and said, this is the way I bought it and stuff like that. And yeah, you got to play dumb. I'm not going to say, hey, yeah, I have catless headers on this, and, you know what I mean, make myself look like an idiot trying to show up to an inspection station. Ooh, I'm a strip with catless headers. And the guy's like, well, the way it sounds, it don't even sound like you have cats in this. But, you know what I mean, I could do a dummy fake out and try and get it done. But as of right now, I'm just going to take that sticker off, just so when I do drive it, I don't, you know, get pulled over all the time. Like I said, my other idea should work out fine. This is what it looks like. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Sucks I didn't get past, but you know what I mean. Ain't gonna stop me from driving the Cam Ram. You know what it is to the next one. Peace.